Hello and welcome to the course. In this course, you are going to learn that how you can create and sell online courses using WordPress. Basically, we will be building an LMS website, or you can say online courses website like Udemy, Skillshare, or there are a lot of other online courses building something like that. You can create a marketplace or you can create something for your own courses, and we are going to use Masterstudy LMS as our main LMS software, and you can easily create and sell your courses using this Masterstudy, and you don't have to pay extra, you don't have to do anything extra. It would be a lot affordable and you can start your online courses business. So let's just see what would you learn in this course. So first of all, you will learn that how you can build a fully professional LMS website using WordPress. By LMS, I mean learning management system. So how you can build a fully professional learning management system or online courses website using WordPress. Then you will learn that how, after creating your website, how you can publish and sell your courses on LMS website, setting up the payment systems, etc., etc. Then you will also explore some cool features, LMS features like a certificate builder and a lot of other integrations and features. And at the end, you will also learn that how you can increase the sales and growth with the crazy marketing strategies that I used to apply, and you can also apply to sell more courses and get more customers, get more audience, get more students. And talking about a few features that would be covered in this course. So first of all, you have the LMS admin, then you would have a front-end course builder where you can create courses easily. Then you would have different lesson types like video lessons, meetings and assignments, quizzes and text lessons, etc. Then you would have quiz settings. You can create quizzes and you can just add the auto correct answers, so you don't have to check it. The algorithm would check the quiz and they would pass or fail the students. Then you have the certificate builder with which you can share certificates with your students. It would all be automatic. Then student management, and you can also sell the group courses. Like if you have 3 to 4 courses and you want to sell it in a bundle, you can sell it. Then user profile, obviously, and you can do the live meetings as well. You can integrate your LMS with Zoom and you can do live meetings, live streams, and then you would have also a Udemy affiliate option. If you want to import the courses from Udemy and sell as an affiliate, you can do it. You also have access to Google Classrooms. You can do the integration. You have drip content. You can sell content in drip system, like the student has to watch up the previous course to the watch the other course. Then the course bundles, it's and then the course bundles is basically what you sell in the form of bundles. And the group, it's basically simple, similar to the group courses. Then you have different payment methods: WooCommerce Pay and PayPal, Stripe, etc., etc. Then you have statistics and payouts, and it's the option where you have the complete dashboard of statistics and payouts. And you also have point system, so that you can avail points, allot points to students when they buy a course, they complete a course, or they get a certificate, etc., etc. So these are all the features that we would be covering in the course, and I would strongly recommend to enroll into the course if you want to build an LMS website. So let's get started and get into the course. In this lecture, we are going to learn that what we are going to build in this course. So basically, this type of website is what we are going to build in the course, and this is obviously our demo website. We can do a lot of tweaks in it, and we can do a lot of changes into it. But here you can see we have this logo, we have these courses buttons, then login sign up button. And from here we can see the course styles, different course styles. And here you go. So this is how it is being presented in the classical way. When someone clicks here, preview of the course and all the things there, we can add the course to wish list. And the courses are for free or paid. Then there they can create account for student and instructors. They can create the accounts here. And this is a complete all-in-one course website. So then if someone wants to add a course, they can add a new course here as well. If you are a course marketplace, then let's just preview the course. If you want to preview the course, just users will hit a preview course and they would be directed to the landing page of the course. From there they can check how much students are enrolled, how much is duration, how much are lectures, how much is the video, and then the description, then some of the popular or related courses, then about the instructor, the co-instructor, category, curriculum, facts, announcements, and reviews. So let's just get into the course and learn more about it, how to create the website, how to do all the things, and let's just move on. I don't know about you, but for me, this is the most important lecture of this course, because in this lecture, I'm going to discuss something very important. Okay, so watch this lecture till the end. And first of all, I want to make clear that it's completely your choice. In which perspective, like I have used different tools in this course. Okay, so I have used these tools because I like these tools. There are a lot of other tools like the tools I have used in this course. So I'm not promoting anything. If you think some other tool is good, then you can use that tool as well. I just liked it, and I thought this tool can be good and is better than the competitors. That's why I used those tools in this course. But if you think those are not worth it, you can choose whatever you want. Then the second thing is, don't forget to leave your review, because your review is really important for me, and it would motivate me to create more courses like this. Then it will help other students to decide whether it's good for them or not. And the third thing that it will help me improve course content. So don't forget to rate this course, whether positive or negative, doesn't matter, but don't forget to rate this course with the honest rating of yours. Tell me if this course is good, tell me if this course is not good, why it is good, why it is not good, and all. Please don't forget to rate this course. And then this course is straight to the point. Unlike other courses, this course isn't 10 hours or 20 hours. It's straight to the point, short course, where I have discussed the technical part, and then I have discussed how to get the business, how to get the clients, and that's all. Because the main purpose of this course is to make you successful. I don't want to waste your time. I am telling the straight to the point things, and in this course I will be telling the straight to the point things. And this is how your course page looks like if you haven't enrolled into the course yet. Here you have overview. From here you can ask any questions you want, then your notes, announcements, reviews, and learning tools. And if you want to get certificate, you have to complete all those lectures. You have to complete the full course, and then you can get your own certificate like this. When I'll click get certificate, it will create a certificate, and you can get your certificate after you have completed the course till the end. And then if you want to leave a rating, here you will have an option. You can go there and select the rating, and then tell me about your experience, how the course was, like course was good or course was not good. And if there is something to share, like this should be added into the course, I would love to add those things into the course. And then hit save and continue. Then you have to select are you learning valuable information from this course, are the explanation of the concept clear, is the instructor delivery engaging, then are there enough opportunities to apply what you are learning, then is the course delivering on your expectations, and is the instructor knowledgeable about the topic. What do you think? You can tell from in this survey. Then save and continue, save and exit, and that's all. This is all about this area, and you can get your certificates, you can edit your ratings, and these kind of things. And that was all about this lecture, and those were a few important things that are important for me. I don't know about you, and I wanted to discuss those things with you. And see you in the next lecture. Welcome to the first practical section of this course, which is getting started. And this is the first lecture of the first section of the course. And in this lecture, which is what's inside, we are going to learn that how to get started with the things. So well, let's just discuss what's inside this section first, and then we will move on to the practical lectures. First of all, in this section, I'll show you how you can get and buy the hosting, web hosting on which you will be hosting your websites, and how to get the domain name. Then I'll give you a brief WordPress dashboard overview, like how does WordPress looks like and how to work on it. And then at the end, I'll show you about some of the video hosting solutions. Like if you want to use your own video hosting, you want to buy some extra video hosting. If obviously you would have to buy it, you would have to get it. So what video hosting solution is best for you? You can utilize YouTube for free. You have a lot of other free options. You have some paid options as well. So you can use any of them. So let's just get right into it. In this lecture, we are going to discuss that how to get the domain name and the hosting. So first of all, let's just understand what is domain name and what is hosting. Okay. So basically, domain name. What is domain name? Let's just search for it. What is domain name? Domain name is a string of text that maps to alphanumerical IP address used to access website from client software. This is a technical language, but usually what is domain name? You went to google.com to search for something. This is a domain name. Google.com is a domain. Then if I want to go to Facebook, I will type in facebook.com. So facebook.com is a domain name. It's basically address of the website is the domain of the website. So that's how you have to buy a domain name for your website. Then these all when you go to Facebook, there are pictures, there are videos. When you go to YouTube, there are pictures, there are videos. Or you go to any other website, like if I'll go to my site, and you will see there are a lot of pictures. This logo is there, the pictures loading are there, then these pictures are there, these posts are there. All these posts are stored in servers that are 24/7 connected to internet, so anyone can access from anywhere. So to do that, to do this thing, we have to buy a hosting where we can just put our data and our website, and that would be 24/7 live. So we need these two things. Now there are a lot of hosting companies providing both domain name and web hosting. Like Hostinger is there, then 10web is there, then there are a lot of companies. What my preferred one is 10web. You can just go to 10web.io, and I'm their affiliate as well, but I'm not recommending you to like go from my affiliate link, or like I'm not just recommending you, but if you want to do something easy, then 10web would be the best option for you. But it would be a bit pricey because their services starts from, let's just go to their pricing. Where is their pricing? So here is their pricing. So their pricing for e-commerce starts from $15 per month, which annually becomes which is for annual. And if you want to pay per month, then the starter one is $30 per month. Whereas if we buy the same hosting, not same, but a hosting from Hostinger, which is another website, it would get us a free domain name, free website migration, 24/7 support. It's at $2.99 per month, plus 3 months for free. So but if we want some e-commerce hosting, so we'll go to web hosting and we'll just get some kind of upgraded hosting. Like this one is premium. We can get business one, or we can get cloud startup. Let's say I want to use this one, the most popular business one. I'll hit add to cart, and then I'll have to select. I want to buy it for 1 month, 12 months, for 24 months, 48 months. Let's say I want to buy it for 24 months. Then I'll type in my email address, my password, and then from here I'll have to pay from my credit card or debit card, and that's all. Now I already have the hosting, so I don't have to buy it, but let's just do a dummy and let's just buy it. Okay, I'm just buying it for you. So here you go. I'll select this one, or let's just go back and I'll select this package because it's just to show you how to buy things. Let me just see if we can get a free domain name here. We are not getting free domain name with it, so I'll hit this one. I'll select this one, and then I want it for 1 month, or I want it for 12 months. Let's say 1 month. Okay, it would let's say 12 months. Okay, and then I'll add my email address, official@gmail.com. Then here I'll put in some kind of password. I have added the password, or what I can do is I can sign in with Google. So let's just sign in with Google. So here you go. I'll select this account and I'll just sign in with Google. Here you go. I just selected this one. Now I have to select credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, or CoinGate. So I'll select credit card, and then the total bill is $38. And now what you have to do is you have to pay these $38 here. Yeah, I will have to add the payment details. I'll just skip this part because I don't want to show my card details. So I'll skip this part and I'll get back. And here you go, we did the payment, and now I'll hit start now. And now I'm creating website for myself, I'm creating website for someone else, or I already have a website. So I'm creating website for myself. I'm building it myself. And no thanks. Then create a new website, WordPress obviously. And then here I have to add my details, and here I have to add the password, whatever I want to add. So here you go, I added the password. Then I'll go there, I'll just deselect all these, I'll select this one only, and I'll hit continue. Then which theme I want to use, I don't want to use any theme. Then claim a free domain, I have one domain to be claimed, so I'll select this one. And now here, from here, I'll select the domain, this one. And here now I have to select any name for my LMS website, a domain for my LMS website. Whatever your name is, Khadeen Academy or whatever it is, you have to put it here. So I have selected this name, khadeenakbar.com. I'll search for it, it's available, and I'll continue. And then what are some of the details? It is asking for details. Now the academy's name is khadeenakbar.com, and we will be doing all these things there from there. So I'll add the contact details, what's my province, what's my city, etc, etc. So I'll just pause the video. So here you go, it's registering the domain name. Domain name has been registered, and now our website is installed on this domain name, and I'll hit finish setup. And that's all with the Hostinger, and your domain name is set up. So it's just like setting up the things, uploading the files, and this is like regular thing, and it would take some time to do all those setups. And here you go, the website is ready, and now it has given me two options: edit your website and control panel. Let's go to the control panel of the Hostinger, and here you will be able to see on the complete control panel, the performance, security, hosting, etc, etc. And then if one will click on the admin panel, it would take us to the admin panel of our website. Let me just again go there. Yeah, so here you can see this is the admin panel, and I'll give you an overview of this, a walkthrough of this in the next lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture. In this lecture, basically I am going to give you the basic overview of the WordPress dashboard, how to access it, and all these kind of things. So first of all, this is your website. This empty website is your website, and now we will be converting this website into an LMS website. And when you will go to Hostinger, this would be your H panel, Hostinger's control panel. From there you can control your websites, you can control your hosting, your emails, your domains, your billing, etc, etc. This is like other dashboards. This is similar to that. Now here you have a lot of options, like you can see the speed test, you can do security settings, performance settings, and a lot of other settings. If you want to access your dashboard from here, you can just go there to admin panel and you can access the dashboard. But if you want to from here you want to access the dashboard, you will have to go to website.com. like my one is khadeenakbar.com/wp admin. And after you will go to WP admin, you would have to log in. Let me just log out. So you would have to log in here. So what's my ID? My ID is khadeenakbarofficial@gmail.com and password is this one. And then I'll hit login. Here you go. I just got logged in. Okay. Now, this is how you access your dashboard. First of all, this is your dashboard. Here, all the pins are there. Then here you will see all your tools. This is a side table. And here on the top, this is ribbon. And here you can change your profile. Then you can add new posts and you have all these things. Then first of all, from here, you can add posts. You can view all the posts. You can add categories tags. Then this is your media library. Then here, from here, you will have to access the pages. All the pages would be there. If you want to add a new page, you can add a new page. Then the comments, then appearance. From here you can just change the themes. Theme is basically something that completely transforms your website, on which your website is based. Then this editor is for pro editing. Then from here you will see all your installed plugins, and you can add a new plugin as well. And there is a big repository of themes and plugins, so you can go to the repositories, and from here you can install any of the themes and plugins. Then from here you can add or remove users. Right now there's only one user. This one is administrator. And then you have tools. You have these are some of the tools. This is categories and tags converter. Then this one, if you want to import website from Blogger, Live Journal, and Tumblr, etc., etc. Then if you want to export your website, then site health, etc., etc. Then there are few settings. Here in settings you can change your site title. So I will change the site title to Khadeen Akbar, Khadeen Academy, or let's say Khadeen Akbar. It's a good academy of your choice. Okay, then the website URL, then email. If you want to change the email, you can change it, then save it. Then you have some writing settings, then you have some reading settings, then you have discussion settings, media, permalink, and this light speed cache. It's an extra plugin that was added because you used Hostinger as your main hosting server, but you can, this is the plugin for speed optimization. So this was all about the WordPress dashboard overview. I'll see you in the next lecture. Now that I have told you about the WordPress setup, WordPress dashboard, buying the hosting, now there is a main problem. Maybe you might not be thinking about that, but this is a major problem. Like this hosting and is not very premium hosting or very powerful hosting that can take too much load. So when you will upload your lectures on this hosting, a website would crash a lot, videos would not run properly. So you need a third party video hosting solution for it. There are a lot paid video hosting solutions for encrypted video hosting solutions for online courses. We will search for it. Here you will see there are Video Cipher, Panopto, Kalutra, Vistia, and Brightcove. I usually prefer this one, Video Cipher, and it is a great platform for secure video hosting. But when you go to its pricing, their pricing is a bit expensive, which is $149 per year. But when you are starting out, it is expensive. So what I recommend you is I recommend you using YouTube or Vimeo, most preferably YouTube, for hosting your videos. And then what you can do is you can embed your videos into the courses. I'll show you the whole process and how you can do it. But still, I just wanted to clear your problem that if you are worried about the video hosting kind of thing, then YouTube and Vimeo can be the best options. First of all, then if you scale it, you are making money from it, then you can switch that to Video Cipher or something like that. So let's just get right into the next lecture. Welcome to the new section of the course, which is LMS website design, in which we will just start designing our LMS website. And in previous lecture, in previous section, we just bought the domain hosting, and I told you about the video hosting solutions. And in this section, what we are going to talk about is, first of all, we'll do some initial WordPress settings. I'll tell you about basic WordPress settings, then how you can install required themes and plugins, and then I'll show you like how to use Masterstudy LMS wizard, and then how to import demo, then how to customize the home page, create menus, create important pages. Then I'll tell you about WooCommerce settings to set up that checkout thing to e-commerce thing, and then I'll show you how you can set up your LMS Pro and what are the features and benefits of LMS Pro. So let's just get right into it. In this lecture, we are going to set up and install the plugin within, also we are going to set up the LMS wizard. So right now, this is our basic website. Let me get you visit the website. This is our basic website, and we are going to turn this website into a brand new LMS website. So what we have to do is we have to go to plugins, and I'll hit add new. Here you have to search for Masterstudy, because Masterstudy is the plugin that we are going to use in this course. So this is Masterstudy LMS WordPress plugin for online courses and education. I'll hit install now, and after hitting install now, it is installed, and I'll hit activate, and the plugin would be activated. And now here you go. This is the LMS wizard that we are going to use. So first of all, it's asking for business type. There are two business types. First one is personalized courses and learning programs for yourself as a private instructor. Like mostly you would be doing selling your own courses as a individual instructor, or you can create a marketplace like Udemy or Skillshare or other platforms where instructors sign up, and it's a marketplace. So anyone can sign up and sell the courses. So you can choose any one of them. Both are similar, and like in marketplace there would be some things allowed, like new instructors can sign up and sign like commission for instructors. And here it would be it's my own thing, I'm selling my courses, it's my own website. Okay, so you can select any one of them. I'll select individual because most of my students, almost all of my students, they are going to sell individual courses of them. This is the purpose of enrolling into this course. So they would be using individual approach to sell the courses. Or if you want to build a marketplace, you can also build a marketplace. Nothing is different. All things are same, and I'll go through each and everything. So individual, first of all, it's asking for the course pages. So we will generate the demo course pages. So I'll hit generate, and it generated the course page. Then it's asking for the course page layout. Should it be grid view or list view? I say it's grid view. Then the number of courses to be shown on one page. So I'll select 10 courses. Then courses per row, 2 courses. And then enable course filter. Yes. Enable guest checkout. Guest checkout means users don't have to sign up before purchasing, so they can just purchase a course and then they can register their email address. And I'll hit next. Then what would be the course steps? Yeah, so enable redirect to the checkout page after the course was added to the cart. So we will enable this because mostly we are going to sell individual courses, so we'll enable this. But if you have a marketplace, then you would disable this so that users can add the courses to cart, and after that they can go to cart and buy it. But in this case, when they will click on add to cart, they will go to cart, they would go to checkout page directly. Now we want description, curriculum, fact, announcement, and reviews. We don't want announcement, and we don't want facts. We don't only want description, curriculum, and reviews. Next step, Then quiz style, it should be one page or pagination. We want it a pagination. Then next one, instructor registration. By disabling the instructor registration, you remove the checkbox register as an instructor. So whether it is a marketplace or you are selling the course, people can register as instructors. But we are going to disable that, because if someone wants to teach on my website, we would have a one-on-one deal with them, because I'm not a big company. I'm just starting a small company. So I'll have a one-on-one deal with them, and I'll talk to them, tell them the things, and then I'll create a profile for them myself. Then finish sign up, and then is asking to add a new course. But for the purpose of showing to show you how it would be presented, I want to import the demo courses. So I'll hit import demo courses, and we will import some of the demo courses. Course page, it would be course page, then courses per row, all the things are there. So import demo courses. So I'll hit start import. So it's importing. It has imported questions, then quizzes, then lessons, then courses, and then when it would get complete, all the courses would be imported. So it's complete. Now I'll save the settings, and that's all. And now we have installed the plugin, we have set up our LMS, and we have also imported our demo courses. But before that, before going to any thing, we would also need this master study starter theme. So if you want to see the demo from here, you can see the demo as well. This is the demo of this theme. We want this theme, so I'll hit install so that we can install this theme. So let's just now we are again to headed to like wizard. So from here we will install our theme that would be supported by Elementor. Theme has been successfully installed, and now it would ask us to import the demo, and this demo would be imported after this lecture, in the next lecture, and in next, because a lecture is going long, so in next lecture we would be starting from here and we will import the demo. So here we are back in demo import lecture, where we will be importing the demo of master study starter theme. So first of all, we'll hit start, and then which plugins do we want? We want Elementor and Elementor header and footer builder. Both of these are required. I'll hit install, and it would take a few seconds, and this thing would be installed. And after it's installed, it would take us to the next step. So first step is done. What's the second step? Now we want to import demo content, Elementor widgets, theme settings, and LMS options. You don't have to import demo content, but just to show you, I'm importing this. So I'll select all, and I'll import it, because I want to show you the end product, and I cannot like create my own course and publish it. So I'll show the things to you from the demo perspective. Even if you are building this website for your clients, then you can just show them this demo content, and you can tell them, after you have your content ready and you will upload it, I'll just delete this demo content. So it would take some time. 99% is done, and here you go, it's done. And after that, the next step is if we would install the child theme, so you can make changes easily. So we'll install the child theme. Child theme is also installed. Now the last step is nothing, just set up your master study plugin. From here we can view our website now, how our website is looking right now. So here you can see website is completely changed, and I'll show you how to make all these changes in this thing. Like here you can see created by Master Study 2023 Khadeen Akbar. Then I'll show you how to make these changes, then how to make changes into these pages, and all these kind of things. I'll show you each and everything, but right now this is all about this lecture, because it was about importing demo. We have imported the demo, and I'll see you in the next lecture. In this lecture, we are going to visit our home page and customize our home page. So here we are on our home page. This is our home page, and we are going to visit it, and we are going to customize it. So I'll hit edit with Elementor. Let me just show you. Let me just get back. So this is edit with Elementor. Elementor is the page builder that we are going to use, and I'll hit open, and it would get opened, and we will be using this page editor to do all the things, and I'll show you how it works and how we will make changes to it. And let me just show you how it works, how the things are working. So basically Elementor is a page builder which depends on sections and columns. Page is divided into sections, this one, this is a section, this is a section, and it has columns, different columns, and we'll put our elements into the columns. Okay, so from here you can click anywhere, you can change the text. If you want to change anything, you will just click here and editor would get there. First of all, content, if you want to change content of anything, it would be edited here, like HTML, the content side. Then if you want to change style of anything, it would be edited in style. Like if you will select section, in style you can change the picture, you can align the picture, you can add background, overlay, border, etc. And here these are some of the advanced settings like motion effects, responsiveness, etc, etc. So if you want to hide something on mobile, you can do it. If you want to do anything, you can advanced, you can do it from advanced. But here if it is a section, it would be layout here. But if it is a like content, it is a thing, then here content would be there, and you can just change, make changes to the content. Then when you will click on these 9 dots, this square, this tag, this gallery, then you will go here, and from here you can select any product. If you want to add any product, you can take the product, drag it and drop it anywhere, and you can drop these thing anywhere. Then if you want to make changes to any of the product, you can just go to upper right corner and just hit this with right click here. Here you can see there are a lot of options, you can just delete it. Okay, so first of all, let's say if you want to change the picture, you would just hit this edit section, and from here you can change the background picture. Then you can make changes to it, like you can make the layout boxed, you can make it full width. Then you can just change the height as well, fit to screen, then minimum height or default height. And I would recommend you to not make a lot of changes. Why? Because if you will make a lot of changes, then maybe because this thing is designed by the experts, and if you will try to mess with this, you are not a pro designer, so it can make it look bad maybe, because I'm also not a good designer. So when I design websites, I usually try to be on the designer's path. I just change the content, just change the pictures, and that's all. And that's all about how I build websites. Because when we play around with colors, we play around with the pictures and other things, then the essence or the expertise and the professionalism of that design is gone. So that's why I try to avoid those things. So now what you have to do is, if you want to make any changes to the home page, I have told you how to use Elementor. Just go there, you can make changes like start investing in your future today, and I'll say 7 up to 40 side hustle ideas shared in my courses. Okay, and I can add a break here, and then that's how you can change this thing. And if you want to change font, etc., you can go to style, you can change the color, you can make it yellow, or you can make it of any color. Then if you want to change this thing, you can go there, you can align it center, etc, etc. So there are all the settings like Microsoft Word or Google Slides or PowerPoint or Google Sheets. So it's like this one, not Google Sheets, Google Docs. So it's like that. Then if you want to edit the button, just go to button. From here you can change the link. From here you can change the text, join now. And then if you want to add any icon, you can also add icon to it, arrow, and I'll add the icon. Here you go. And if I'll make it after, and here you go. And if you want to make changes to the button, you can go to styles, then you can go to hover to make changes to the hover thing. So I want this color in hover as well, and text color would be this one. And then there are a lot of changes like border radius, etc, etc. So you can make changes to that. Then there is a popular courses. So if you want, this one is content itself, section itself. So if you want to add more sections, or if you want to remove something, you can hit there and you can remove. If you want to add a new section, then you can add a new section by hitting this add button, hit add, and you can add new section. And then if you want to add new thing here, you can go there, and from here master study, or there are a lot of things to add, and you can add things from here. So here I have a lot of things like testimonials. I can add testimonials here, and add some reviewers. We don't have any reviewers, so we have a call to action, course search box, instructor carousel, courses, and I can select courses as well. And from here I can feature teacher, grid, or I can select the type, then I can filter it, or this is a courses grid basically, or I can say featured teacher, teacher of the month, khadeenakbar.com, teacher courses, and these kind of things. Then I can add a carousel here, new oldest, etc, etc. And I can change the card type, then how much courses are there. I can change the header as well, like popular courses. Then I can sort it by most viewed, because these are popular courses, so I can make changes. Or I can add featured courses or top rated courses. I will make it by this one. And then overall rating, I'll remove this button. Then sort by categories, not sort by categories, header is there. And um, let's just change the header text, top rated courses. That's how you can change this thing. Then you have these testimonials. If you want to change these, just go there, change the text from here, change the picture from here, change whatever you want. You can easily change. It's like Microsoft Office. It's a lot easy to use. You just have to click on anything, and from here you can change everything. So here you can see now, here you have this settings. From here you can change the title, you can add featured image, etc, etc. Then you have this navigator. So navigator makes it a lot easy to use Elementor. Now if you are looking for some section, you can click on that section and it would navigate there. Then from here you can select the column, you can select this thing. So it makes it a lot easy to use. Let's say you want to sort this thing, you want to make this on top, or you want this on the bottom. So I want this section on below this one. So here you go, we got this section is below this one, and you want this one on top. I'll select this one, and this one is on top. Okay, so that's how these things work. And you can also do this, and you can put things on top, on bottom, etc, etc. You can make changes. You want to add a new thing, you just have to go there, select columns. You want two columns like this one column, and this one. There are a lot of templates. Then you have a lot of blocks and templates here, but these are with pro version. And if you get something, you can add it here. Okay, so this is how you will edit your home page. You will customize your home page using Elementor. Then you just have to update. If you want to add a new thing, just go there, just select a column and add it here, and then just go there, and from here you can add new things. There are course grids, feature teacher, recent courses, instructor carousel, single course carousel, etc, etc. And you also have sliders, and call to actions, etc, etc, etc. You can just play around with them, and that's how you will just customize your home page. That was all about customizing home page. And now we will just go back, and I'll show you how you can customize your header and footer. So if you want to customize your header, if you want to make changes to this, you can just hit header, and just go there, and here you can see you can just customize the logo. I want to change the logo, so I'll go there, and from here I'll hit select files, and I'll add my logo. So this is my logo. I'll select this logo, and I'll put it here. Here you go, we added the logo. If you want to change the menu, you can change the menu. You want to change this thing, you can also change this thing, the button link, etc, etc. Then sign in, profile icon size, you can change the profile icon size, and I'll make it default. Then if you want to change the style of sign up, sign in, the color of sign up, sign in, you can also change it. You have some advanced settings, you can also do those settings, and then you can just update it. Okay, and then let's just go back to the home page, and if you want to edit the footer, just click on this footer and it would take us to the footer, and from here you can just change the footer. I don't want this master study, or I don't want anything here. I can just add it, and but let's keep it there. If you want to change the social icons, just click on these social icons. You can put your links here, and after putting those links here, just hit update. I'm not putting the links, I have told you, and you know how to edit. I'm not telling the things that are easy, because I want to save your time, because making long courses is not my priority. I want to make content as short as possible, and to save your time, as understandable and as simple as possible. That was all about this lecture, customizing homepage, header, footer, and I'll see you in the next lecture. So in previous lecture, we have customized our home page, our header, our footer, etc., etc. And in this lecture, we are going to do our LMS settings. I'm going to show you how to set it up, how to customize the things and all that stuff. So first of all, let me just go to the website. So here we are on the website. You might be thinking, we changed the logo, we changed everything, but how do we change this menu? Let's say we want to add any other thing here, or we want to add something, or we want to change the structure, or we want to remove something. How do we do that? You just have to go to your dashboard, go to appearance, go to menus, and from here you can just change this menu. Okay, so this is the menu, and from here, if you want to add any other page, from here these are all the pages. You can add any page here, or if you want to add any post, you can add post, or you want to add, let's say you want to add up, let's first add the page. So let's say if you want to add the wish list page here, or you want to add the user account page here, I'll take it, I'll put it here, I'll save it, and now you will see when we will reload it, it would be added. Now when we'll click on user account, it would take us to our user account. I'll remove this because we don't want this thing. So let's just remove this. Now, if you want to remove something, simply you can remove it, as I removed that page. Now, if you want to add any external link like YouTube, let's say I want to add YouTube. So I'll add YouTube, and here I'll add link to my YouTube channel. youtube.com/grow. So here I added the link to the YouTube channel. I'll save menu and go to user account, and here you go. Sorry, I did something wrong. What I did wrong is I have to put the URL here and label here, but I did the vice versa. So my bad. YouTube and item badge, item background color, etc., etc. If you want to change this, you can change this thing as well for mega menus. Then now I'll reload, and here you go. When I'll click on YouTube, it would take us to my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is how this thing works, and I'll go back to the home, and here now to make changes to your website and make settings, what you have to do is you have these two things. First of all, master study starter. This is the starter thing, and from here you can see each and everything. And also we are using the free version. We are not using the pro version, so we would have limited features. I'll show you, but yeah, with free version you can run the website, but if you want extra features, you would need pro. And I have a dedicated lecture on the pro where I'll show you features, how to get it, and all these things. So now we have to go to MS LMS, and here in MS LMS we'll be covering all these in the next section, but here right now our target is these settings. So you just have to click on these settings, and here you have each and everything. So a lot of things are not there, as I told you. This is a free version, and if you want need that, you would need the pro version. So first of all, these are the general settings, and first of all, here you have main color. What's your main color? What should be your main color? White, or the same as this one. Then accent, base colors, accent, danger, warning, success. What should be the colors for this? You can just change these colors. I don't want to change and mess around with them. Then the currency symbol, what should be the currency symbol? So it would be dollars. And then left or right, it should be in left. The separator, the decimals, number of fractions allowed, okay, that's good. And then this one, enable WooCommerce checkout. If you want to enable WooCommerce checkout, you will need pro version. I'll show you how to get it. Then you can enable the WooCommerce checkout as well. Then there is also an option in marketplace, if a sale is made, you have multiple instructors, and if a sale is made, a percentage of amount is automatically transferred to the instructor, like 10%, 50%, 30%, 90%, whatever, and the left commission is the marketplace commission. Like if you are on the owner of marketplace, that's what you will get it. Then number of featured courses, etc., etc. This is something that you can set if you have the pro version. Then restrict instructors from accessing the admin panel. If you want to restrict them, you can restrict it, but right now I am only the instructor, or if someone is in deal with me, that would be the instructor, so I will just disable it. Then loading animation, enable the loading animation as well. I'll save the settings. These are some of the general settings. After saving these settings, then we have courses. If we want to import demo courses, we have imported the demo courses. Then we have to select which is the courses page. It is by default, it's set. How much courses do you want to show per row? So I want 3. Then courses per page, 10, not 10, then 12, because the fraction of 12. So 3 4 rows and 3 columns. Okay, then load more type, button or infinite scrolling. Yeah, button. Then course card style, price on hover, scale on hover, or default. I'll say default. Course card info, center or right, center. Then the course image size. Then if you want to enable lazy loading, yes, enable lazy loading as well. Then if you want to put a unit slug to show the URL before the category, you can do that as well. Here you can just change the category, and then show featured courses on the top of the list page, yes. Then which enable filters on the archive page, enable. Then course filters, which filters do you want to show to the students? I don't want status, but others is what I want. Then the other features are again in the pro version. Okay, then the individual course settings, enable description, curriculum, announcement, reviews. I disabled these two things because I think it should be disabled for my website at least. And then redirect to checkout, allow instructors to create new categories. Allow, because I am working with only the known instructors, so they would create categories if required. Create new question categories. Allow press to player source for instructors, yes. Auto enrollment for free courses. Students will automatically know when they preview them. Okay, yeah. So if you want to enable auto enrollment, you can enable auto enrollment as well. Preferred video source, so it would not be this one, it would not be this one, it would not be this one, it would be embed, Vimeo or YouTube. Then enable bottom sticky panel, yeah. We will enable it. Enable title or rating, teacher, category, what we want to enable. So I will enable title, or let's remove this. Okay, enable related courses. Of course we want to do the cross selling, and it would be based on category. And then upload any image for failed courses, upload an image for past courses. If you want to upload an image to show notification of failed courses. So if you want to upload a success and fail of images, you can upload those images as well to show the instructors, to show the people that this course is failed or this is passed. Then course player should be legacy or new. Obviously we want new. Then default theme should be light or dark. Use theme fonts. Show brand icon in navigation, yes. And here you can add your brand icon, so I'll add it right now. Fine, and let's just add this one. So brand icon is added. Discussion board in sidebar, yes. I'll save these settings. And after saving these settings, then the quiz. We want pagination, yes, we want pagination, file upload or URL. How to catch, yeah, file upload. Then LMS pages, these are good. Course page for Elementor, it's good, it's good, it's good, all's good. Then payment methods, what payment methods we want Stripe and we want PayPal. And now in terms of PayPal, you would need your PayPal. Hello, add Khadim .com, United States dollar, sandbox or live. Yes, it's live. And payment method description, it's good. And now we want to add Stripe. Now you need publishable key, secret key, and payment method description of your Stripe. And how do we get it? You just have to go to Stripe. And creating a Stripe account is a lot easy. You just have to go to stripe.com and then you just have to create an account like you create on PayPal. And after signing up, giving all the information, you just have to go to this developers and here go to APIs, and here you have to create a new secret key. And here you will receive a code on your phone number, and you have to put it here. So this is 627 635 and then key name is Masterstudy. Then hit create and it would create a key. Then you have to just copy this, and after copying this you just have to paste it here. This is a secret key, and after doing that we'll just put it there, and we'll just copy the publishable key, and I'll go there, paste the publishable key, then the method description, pay with card, then Stripe currency code, this one, Stripe currency code. The currency that we are going to use is USD, and I'll hit save. And even if you want to enable wire transfer, you can also enable that, but we want PayPal and Stripe only. And then the Google API, if you want to enable the CAPTCHA, you can create a CAPTCHA account by Google, and then you can put it here. You will need to go to Google Developers Console, and there you can use CAPTCHA to avoid spammers. Then you have this profiles. If you want to enable the email confirmation for account verification, yes, we want this. Disable instructor registration, yes, no instructor can register. Then add students to own course. Instructor will have a tool in an account to add student by email to course. Yeah, they can add it. And then instructor archive page, choose. Here you can choose an instructor archive page, cancel subscription page if you want to add it. We don't want this right now. So site profile menu, enable it, and there site profile menu for guest users, and it's okay. I'm just good. If you want it on left or right, you can check it, then just hit save settings. Then you can do the reordering in the menu as well. Like dashboard, add course, etc, etc. For students, it's enrolled and blah blah blah. So it's good. Then we have the profiles. Then we have the certificates. The certificate builder would be there, but it would be with the pro version. Then the payouts would also be with the pro version. Then privacy policy, from here you have to select the privacy policy page. Privacy policy label is okay, but privacy policy page is what you need to create. So to create that, you just need to go to pages, then go to all pages, and here you can see if the privacy policy page is there. You can just quick edit and publish it. From here just hit published and click update. So this privacy policy page is published. Now we'll go back, and here in the privacy policy we will select our page. Where is it? Let's just reload. It's published, I guess. Yeah, it's published. Let's see. Here you go, we got this privacy policy page. We'll just save settings, and then here we have some of the short codes for different things. So you can just get the short code, and if you want to put it anywhere, you will just have to copy the short code and put it anywhere, and that thing would be added there. But you have Elementor, you don't need those short codes a lot. Then the import and export, if you want to copy the settings, import the settings, or that kind of thing, you can do it via the import and export. That was all about these settings, the checkout settings and LMS settings, etc, etc. And I will see you in the next lecture, because the pro add-ons like certificate builder, email manager, LMS form editor, Zoom conference, Google Meet, etc, etc, it would be with the pro version, and we would be discussing the pro version as well in the next lecture. In this lecture, we are going to talk about WooCommerce payment integrations because with LMS, Master Study LMS direct payments, you have PayPal and Stripe only. But if you want to enable Razor or other payment methods, then you would need the WooCommerce payment integration. And this lecture is about that. But if you need complete guidance, then this documentation is for you. Even if I have something missing, I don't know about something, then I would obviously search for that problem, and I would get the solution here. And this is the solution to WooCommerce, how to set it up. So first of all, what it says is it asks us to install the plugin. So we'll just go to the plugins and I'll hit add new plugin, because I am instructor, but they are the developers, so they know better than me. So that's why I always recommend checking out the sources. Maybe somewhere I am wrong, so you can just check out the sources. So I'll search for WooCommerce and I'll hit install now. And after hitting install now, it is installed, and I would have to activate the plugin. And here you go, I'll just activate the plugin. And after activating the plugin, it would take me there, and I'll hit settings. And here in settings, I have to go to advanced, and here first of all we have to do the pages setup. So how do we do the pages setup? Here you go, we'll just go to advanced pages, and here we have to set up the pages. And here you can see our pages are already set up. And then we can just go to features, and here are some of the features and the woo.com and things. And then to set up the payment methods, we can just go to the payments, and here we have three options right now: direct bank transfer, check payments, and cash on delivery. But we want the other payment methods, so I'll click this one. And here we have different extensions for Stripe, Woo Payments, PayPal, Square. And you can just go with the WooCommerce Pro. But what you can do is you can install the extension for the payment method, and how to install it I'll tell you. But then we'll go to accounts and privacy. Here you can if you want to enable the guest checkout, allow customers to place allow customers to log into existing account during checkout, allow them to create account during checkout. And there are a lot of the options. If you want to enable or disable those, you can just enable and disable those options. And we'll just enable this one is to be enabled. And then I'll hit save changes. And then the next step is we'll just go to Masterstudy LMS, and I'll go to settings. And here in settings, what we have to do is we have to go below, and here we have to enable WooCommerce checkout. And also we have to enable the guest checkout. You can disable this. I'll just save this. Settings are saved. And to enable this one, it is required to enable guest checkout in WooCommerce. We have already enabled this, so this is good. And after that, we will go to the WooCommerce products. There's the WooCommerce products, and hit all products. And here we have this enterprise for test course. This course is listed here, and here you can see the published course. So here we can see this course is already there. And to the products that are already added, I'll go to those products, and I'll go there, and from product data I'll select Masterstudy LMS product. It's downloadable. Sorry, it's virtual. And I'll hit save. And the upcoming products that you will add or publish after integrating it, those would be automatically synchronized. And after that, you would be able to access Masterstudy other payment methods in Masterstudy LMS as well. Like you can just go to add new plugin, and you want to integrate any payment method. Like you want to add Razor, or you want to add Stripe WooCommerce. And it would get us a plugin, and you just have to enable that plugin. And it would that plugin would get you the complete guide that how to set it all up and all that stuff. And well, let's say you want any other payment method, those payment methods would also be there for you. Like the plugins for those payment methods are all also there for you. You can enable any payment method. And you would have a guide in the documentation as well. Or you can ask any question to me in the Q&A, or you can ask the Masterstudy LMS team that you want to integrate something and you are getting problem, and they would solve your problem. That was all about this lecture. I will see you in the next one. Welcome to the section which is an extra section, which is an optional section, but it is really important. exploring more features by Masterstudy LMS. And for this one, I have a disclaimer that you would need the pro version to explore all these features. If you are using free, then you won't be able to access those features. But if you want to explore, you can explore these lectures for free. And then if it is worth it, then you can just check things out. So what's inside this section? First of all, I'll tell you that how you can set up LMS Pro. Then I'll tell you about certificate builder, how to set up the certificates and all that stuff. Then Google Meet and Zoom integrations, email setups and brandings, assignments and quizzes, point systems and drip content. And also I'll tell you about importing Udemy courses and making affiliate commissions by selling other people's courses. So this is all of what is covered in this section. Let's just get inside it and learn more about it. In this lecture, we are just going to cover about the LMS Pro version, where we will be getting a lot of features. And in this video, we are going to get the MS LMS Pro, with which we would be getting a lot of the things, as you know, this certificate builder, email manager, form editor, Zoom, Meet, assignments, drip content, etc., etc. And we are going to get that thing in this lecture. So how do we do it? We'll just click on Get Pro. And here we go. Here we are on the Pro thing, and we can get it from here. Or what you can do is you can just search on Google for Masterstudy LMS plugin, and it would take you to this stylemix.com/this one. And from here you can see the pricing. This is the pricing: 79 for single site, 199 for 5 sites, and unlimited for 399 per year. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll choose a package from here, and here you go. I'll select this one. Or let's say now you also have two options, annual and lifetime. Let's say I'll select lifetime, and then I'll just hit buy now. And after hitting that, I'll add my email address here, and then my first name, my second name, and then I'll add my confirm my email address. So I'll just copy this email address and I'll just paste it here. And here I'll add the mobile number here, whatever it is, but it is optional. You can skip this. And now I'll add the payment details here. I'll skip the video and I'll get back to you after adding the payment details, etc. And here you go. We have got the Masterstudy LMS Pro, and you can check the download link of the plugin, license key, and installation instructions. Now you have got an email on your email address, and from there you can just access your Pro version. Now I'll get to the email, and actually it's on the email is on my other screen. So I'll just copy. Here I have got the premium plugin version. Let me just show it to you. So here you can see, here I have got it, and this is the email that I got. And after activation, I have to use this license key, and using this license key I can just use this thing. Okay, and now what I have to do is I have to download the plugins premium version first. So, and the other things and all the details are in description. Or what I can do is I can just go to account, and there I can log in. So here I am in the dashboard, and here in the downloads I have this Masterstudy LMS. So I'll just download this from here, the latest version, and this is the license key. So I'll copy the license key and I'll hit save, and it's downloading. And after it is downloaded, I'll have to get back and upload that plugin into my WordPress dashboard. So let's just wait for it to get downloaded, and then we will just upload the plugin. And now that the version is downloaded, now what we have to do is we have to go to plugins, and here in plugins I have to hit add new plugin, and I have to upload the downloaded plugin, and we would have to add the activation key. So I'll just go to downloads, and here in downloads I'll just take this zip file and I'll just upload it. And after uploading it, it would take some time. I'll hit activate, and obviously when I'll hit activate, it would ask me for the license key. So what I'll do is I'll pause the video, I'll paste the license key, and I'll get back. And here you go, the license key has been activated, and now we have got access to each and everything. Now here you can see we have all got all the pro add-ons. when I'll hit add-ons, here we have got all the add-ons. From here we can enable any add-on. Then we have this affiliation thing, or we can become their affiliate, and then we have this account thing as well. So these are the things, and this is my account. And now here in add-ons you have all the add-ons, and I'll show you about each add-on, that how these works, and how to play around with all these add-ons. So that was all about this lecture. I would see you in the next one. In this lecture, we would be covering LMS Pro add-ons. What add-ons would we get with the Pro version, and how we can utilize those add-ons. So let's just move on to the add-ons, Pro add-ons, to play around with each add-on. Now, first of all, there are all the add-ons here, and you don't have to enable all. Any add-on you need is the add-on to be activated, so you don't need to enable all the add-ons. Just the add-ons that are required, you have to enable it. And to enable any add-on, you can hit enable. And if you want to play around with those add-ons, you have to hit settings. And with each add-on, you can see this how it works. So you can just open this in new tab, and you will get a complete guide on how to use this add-on. So first of all, we have this certificate builder. So we will go to the settings. And in settings, I will show you how the certificate builder works. First of all, here you have two demos, demo 1 and demo 2. From here, you can select any of demo, or you can create a new one. And this is the demo background image. If you have any other, you can just select it. Then it should be portrait like this one, or it should be landscape. So I would say it should be landscape. And then here you have all the text. First of all, this logo. So if you want to change this logo, you can just remove it, or you can just hit Ctrl+Z to change the logo. And if Ctrl+Z doesn't work and I want to add my logo here, so from here I'll add the image. I'll hit select. I'll select my image, this logo. I'll publish it, and here you go. If I want to make, oh sorry, I'm sorry, my bad. So I'll select it, I'll put it, and here you go. If I want to make it small, I can make it small. Here you go, and I will put it in center. Okay, then the certificate, if you want to change this text, you can change it. And then here you can add any text. This certificate is presented to you by Slicks Academy upon completion of your course, or whatever. Then here the course name, the instructor name, the signatures. We will remove the signatures. And from here we'll add an image, and here you can add your own signature image. Okay, you just have to create it, put it, and here from here you can just take from here, make it small, whatever you like, and here you go. Then instructor name, etc. And I have shown you how to add and change the background image. Then if you want to add in text, the course name is already added, but again you want to add somewhere else, you can add it. Then you want to add any image, you can add it. You want to add current date, start date, end date, you can add it. Then the co-instructor, progress, details, certificate code, and student code. Let's add the certificate code as well. And certificate codes are basically mostly printed into the corners, so we'll put it in this corner. This is all about the certificate. I'll hit save. Then from here you can select the category to which you want to present this certificate, or I want to present it to the whole site. So I'll select entire site, I'll hit preview, and we can preview the certificate as well from here. So here you can see this is how the certificate is presented, and this is how you can build your own certificate. Okay, and then you have this email manager, and you can just enable it to use it, see how it works, what is the benefit of it. And it is to adjust your email templates for different types of notifications and messages look good and clear. Okay, so here you can see you can customize your emails from here. So you will just go to settings, and with this add-on you can customize your email branding. First, what is sender name? Sender name is Khadeen Akbar. Sender name is Khadeen Akbar. Then here you can add a logo, this one, then header background, I don't want it, footer background, entire background color, yeah, it's good. Then if you want to change any text, yeah, Hustlix Academy, all right, it's reserved. Email branding on, and hit save settings. Then you can change the email for instructors. So here this is the email, so you can change this thing. Then lessons, if a new if there are any lessons or anything about lessons, so here those things would be presented. And for instructors as well, this is not the one email template, there are different email templates. First one is for send an email to the admin when the instructor has added this course, when the course is published, and become an instructor, etc, etc. So if you want to do your customization, you can do it. Then for enterprise, there are different emails: enterprise request, new group invite, new user credentials to enterprise group, etc. Then emails for orders, emails for courses, emails for assignments, etc, etc. Even you can import and export those options as well. And this one is for the email customizer. Then it's email branding, and it is done. And then the LMS form editor, if you want to customize the LMS form, you can customize your LMS forms as well. You can the instructor form. Okay, so because this is the become instructor form, so we want your email, we want your phone number, we want a file attachment, we want the drop down, and here you go, and we want a single line text as well. Okay, so first of all, the email is good, it is required. Then single line text, field name, field label, your, this is for this one, I guess we want this for this one. Field label would be for the second one, field label would be your name, and for this one, your email, for this one, phone, and for this one, what should we ask? Whatever. Yeah, are you already an instructor? Yes, no, offline only. Okay, and we'll save it. And this is the form for instructor, and that's how we can customize the forms as well. Okay, then the next one is Zoom conference. To enable this, we will just hit enable, and it would be enabled. We will go to settings, and here we need to install this eRoom Zoom meetings and webinar plugin. And after this plugin is installed, we will move to the next process. So here you go. First of all, we have to add Zoom settings and account ID, client ID, and client secret. And even if we here you have different things for server to server auth credentials, this is the thing. Then for JWT credentials, API key and API secret is required. And for meeting SDK credentials, the client ID and client secret are required. Okay, for the configuration and getting API, you have this complete guide. You can follow the complete guide and you will get it. And even if you want the complete guide on Zoom integration, you just have to go to this pro thing. Let me just go there, pro add-ons, and here you just have to see it how it works, and you will get the complete guide on how to do it. So you here you have complete guide, and to get this thing, you just have to go to marketplace.zoom.us first. So we'll follow this complete guide, and after eRoom is installed, it's installed, we need API key and API secret. So we'll go there, and from there we will obtain our API key. So first of all, let me just sign in. From here, I'll sign in with Google, and it's getting signed in. Wait for a few seconds, and marketplace.zoom.us is opened. And now what we have to do is, the next step is yeah, so from here we can get our API keys. So how do we do it? To do that, we'll just go to develop and build an app, and now we need server to server auth credentials. So I'll go to server auth credentials, and here I'll name it master study. And after doing this, I'll hit create, and those credentials would be created, and I just have to copy and paste those credentials. This is account ID, and I have to put account ID here, then the client ID. I have to put client ID here, then the client secret, and I have to put the client secret here, and I'll hit save. And after all that information, I have to go to information, and here this is the app name. I have to add the app description. This app is for hosting meetings with my students on LMS website. Company name is khadeenakbar.com, then developer contact information, Khadeen Akbar, and all those things. And then we have the scopes. So we'll have to add the scopes. Meetings, we want meetings. So in meetings, we have to add this one, view and manage sub account users meetings, view all users meetings, and this one as well, and this. Okay, then in webinar we want view all users meeting, view this one, and then in recording we'll hit all, in user we'll hit all, and I have done. And here you go, we have our credential scopes added, and now it comes to activate. And after that, we have to hit activate your app, activate the app, and here you go, the app activation has been completed. And next step is to what is the next step? So next step is this meeting SDK's credentials. So even I used to watch these tutorials to learn how these things happen and all these kind of things. So don't feel ashamed. Just go there, watch those tutorials as well, because from this course only you are not going to learn a lot, but from these tutorials you can learn a lot. Because it's completely dedicated and it's created by the team itself, so it can help you a lot. Okay, so now we will go back to Zoom, and here we need those credentials. So I'll hit build an app, and I'll hit build, and here I'll go to meeting SDK because we need those IDs, and again I'll hit master study, and after adding the name you have to disable this, or let's say make it master study. Okay, and then hit create, and after hitting create it would take you to the next step. There you have to add the description. It's app to host meetings with my students on my LMS website. This app is to help me host meetings with my students on the LMS website. Okay, and then the app gallery, the company name, then the marketplace category, etc, etc. So let's add those as well. So it's this one, and then even if you want to leave it, you can just leave it, and you just need to upload this developer contact information, and that's all, and hit continue. Then this download information, and this one is what I have to skip, and then we have these app credentials. So I'll just copy this one, and I'll just paste it here, the client ID, and then the client secret, I'll copy it and I will just paste it here. Okay, And after pasting client ID and secret, I have to copy this URL and I have to go there, and in here in redirect URL of our auth, I have to paste this thing here. And then for the allow list, I'll have to paste my domain name. So here is my domain name, and let me just remove the rest from it. So here you go, the rest is removed, and I'll hit continue. And after that, here we have got this secret token and verification token in features section, and you have to skip this thing. And here you go, you just got this scopes. I'll hit continue, SDK activation, and here you just have to hit add your app, and don't forget to save these settings that you have done. And then after hitting add your app, I think we just got this, and here allow, and hit allow. And after that, it would take you to this page. Here you can see, and if it has took you to the page, the setting and integration is successful. And next step is that you can add well, you can create new meetings, you can create webinars, then you can add new users, you can check users, etc, etc, etc. You have the complete dashboard. Then we will go back again and into pro add-ons. Here we have the pro add-ons, and now like we did for Zoom, we have to enable this Google Meet, and from here we can set it up. And here in how it works, we have a complete guide about how to set it up, how to generate APIs, etc, etc. So you have a guide about 9 minutes, and it would help you let you know that how to set up each and everything. Okay, then and you can use assignments to check your students knowledge. So you just have to enable it. Just go to settings, and from here you can just set up the assignments. So a number of allowed steps to pass assignments, number of allowed attachments, then these kind of things you have to do. And you can just add, like for example, you want maximum 3 attempts, maximum 1 file attached, and maximum 5 MBs. I'll hit save. That's all. And then we are going to go to the next step, which is drip content. Drip content is basically when someone enrolls into the course, so you would get one process is like this course, like you are getting this course all in all, you can watch anytime you want. But drip content is something that first section would be released after after a week or that day, and then after enrolling into the course after 1 week, and the next section would be released. Then 3 weeks after enrolling into the course, the third section would be revealed. This is the process basically. So if you want to enable drip content, you can, but mostly it is not used. So but if obviously if you want to use, you can do it. Then you can lock lessons in order, like users have to watch lessons in order, and then you can lock lessons till its start time. So we can enable this, but I don't want these settings because these are for the like premium type of programs, and we are not going to sell it. Then if you want to sell courses into groups to students, like groups of students, then you can use this, like they are an organization, they are a team, then you can sell them. And we can just go to settings, and here number of allowed members in a group, and here you can set number of allowed members, and you can sell it to the groups as well. And then live streaming, if you want to interact with your students with the live streams, you can enable this. Then how it works, you can go to how it works of each and every one and every feature, and you will get the things, you will get the options. Then you have the course bundle. If you want to create the bundles of the courses, then you can enable this one as well. Go to settings, and from here you can set the things like bundles quantity limit, courses in bundle quantity limit. Okay, so how much bundles can be the maximum, then how much maximum courses can be added to the to a bundle, and it is for front-end instructors. And then the point system, if you want to motivate and engage by students by awarding them the points, then you can enable the point system. And from here you can set your point system, like the image of the point, the URL, then point label, then the point rate, what should be the point rate. So point rate relative to price, for example 100 means 100 points equals equals $1. If it is 10 dollars means $1, or 10 points means $1. So I'll say 100 points means $1. And you can also enable affiliate points. Your users can share their affiliate link and get points for the activity of users they invited. Even like they will get affiliate points percentage as well. And you can save settings after doing the settings. Then here are the points for different things: registration, course purchases, passing assignment, course completion, passing quiz, etc, etc. And you can set up the points of your choice. After that, we have this media file manager. So you can enable this one as well, so that instructors can upload the media from front end. And there are no settings for it. Then there's also a SCOM, so you can easily upload to your LMS any course that was created with the help of different content authoring tools. So you can enable a SCOM as well, but SCOM is not required in our case, because we would be using the external servers, or we would be using the YouTube or Vimeo kind of thing to host our courses. Then the trial courses, you can let your potential students try out online courses for free as well. Give them a trial to specific lessons, the free previews. You can also enable this. Then statistics and payouts, we will enable it as well. Then online testing, statistics and payouts. It's basically the dashboard. So if you want to show this dashboard to the instructors, you can just show it. Then online testing, we want this one as well. And in settings, you can see about it. And then there are multi instructors. So a course can be done by more than one instructors. Yes, we will allow it. Then if you want to enable Google Classroom, again, see how it works, and the API integration, etc, etc. And you can integrate this thing as well. Then you have this Udemy importer. You can import courses from Udemy and get the affiliate commissions. Enable it, go to settings, and you can just set it up. You will have to add client ID, client secret, and Udemy Rakuten affiliate script. For that, you would need to apply for Udemy Rakuten advertising. And to see how it works, just click on this and you will get a complete guide how you can do it. Then you can import courses from Udemy, and you can if your Udemy is getting sales from your website, then you would get the commission. So here is a complete guide. You can just see this guide. Then you have prerequisites. Prerequisites for students, so they can enroll into higher level courses. You can enable it, but it's not required. Then the gradebook, you can track the students performance, what they have completed, and etc, etc. Then the upcoming courses, you can create and promote your upcoming courses as well. So these were some of the premium add-ons, pro add-ons, and I think I have covered all in this section, in this lecture. That was all about this lecture. I would see you in the next. Welcome to the new section of the course, which is create and manage courses, where we would be creating our course, questions and categories. Then we would be creating our own course, uploading course content, etc, etc. So let's just discuss what's inside this section. So first of all, we will be creating our course questions and categories. Then I would tell you that how to create your own course, add the information, and then I'll show you how to upload course content and curriculum. And then what is drip content, how to enable that drip content thing. I have told you about that, and I would tell you in explanation that how it works. Then I'll tell you about course settings and pricing, and then we will publish our course. And the core purpose of this section is to tell you that how you would be creating and publishing the course. And I will see you in the practical lecture. In this lecture, we are going to create our course questions and categories, and I'll tell you that how it works and all the things. Okay, so first of all, to create any course or things, you just have to go to MS LMS, and here you can see courses, lessons, quizzes, questions, assignments, student assignments, reviews, orders, enterprise groups, payouts, course categories, and question categories. So in this lecture, we are going to cover these two. So if you want to create any course categories, here you can see there are a lot of course categories. So you can just come here and you can create your own category. Like let's say here there is no web design category, so I'll add the web design, and then slug would automatically be added. And if you want to add a parent category, then you can add it's under software development, so I'll say it's a parent category. Then if you want to add any category image, you can add it, or you can add any like icon here, and then the icon color I want it blue, then add the category, so the category is added. Same is for question categories. You can add the question categories, like what type of question it is, like technical question, or pre or post completion question, and others. These kind of questions is what you can add. Then there is an instructor requests option. So here you will see all the instructor requests. Then if you want payouts, then you can just directly go to payouts, and here instructors can manage their payouts, and you can add the payouts of the instructors, process payments to the instructors. Then here you have the enterprise groups. So if you want to create the enterprise groups, like I want to create Hustix Academy, a new enterprise group, and here you can add their author IDs and their emails. And then you have these orders. From the orders, you can add new orders and their keys. Then you have reviews. From here you can manage all the reviews. Then you have student assignments, questions. So these questions, assignments, student assignments, all these quizzes, lessons, these would all be managed from where you create the course. I will tell you about it, and these were a few settings to be covered. And in next from the next lecture, we will start creating the course. We have created the course categories, questions, and a few settings. So in from next lecture, we would be creating the course, and then in that course I'll be telling you how to create lessons, how to upload the curriculum content, and how to create the quizzes and assignments, etc, etc, and also how to publish the course, and the drip content, and these kind of concepts. So let's just move on to the next lecture. In this lecture, I am going to tell you that how you can create your own course. So to create your own course, what you have to do is you just have to go to courses, and it is in MS LMS courses. And to create a new course, you just have to hit this add new post, or if you want to edit the previous courses, you can just go there. So let's see, if I want to edit previous course, I can just hit edit, and it would edit my previous course. From here I can just change the description, excerpt, and I can add the course categories, and I can add the featured image, and even I can go to the course builder, and from here I can change curriculum, drip, content settings, pricing, facts, notices, etc, etc. But we will be doing all this in the next lecture. Right now we are going to add a new course. So I'll hit add a new post, and here I have to add the course name. So the course name is test course. Then after that, here I have to add a category. From here I can select a category, or I can add a new category. So it would be test category parent. This is the parent category. Let's say you can also or let's say test category. And now if I want to create a category under a category, a subcategory, then sub test. Okay, and I can add the parent category as test category. Okay, so there is a test category, and under test there is a subcategory which is subtest. So I can add create subcategories as well. Then from here I'll have to select the level is advanced. From here I'll select the course image. So I can select from here, or I can just go to browse files, go to your computer, and upload your course from here, and I'll hit create. Okay, here you go, our course is created now. And now we have to manage the curriculum, we have to manage the drip content, etc, etc. And this is the thing that we would be doing in the next lectures. That was all about this lecture. I would see you in the next one. In this lecture, we are going to add the curriculum of the course. We are going to create the curriculum of the course, and how do we create it? We will learn it. So basically, the course is divided into sections, and those sections are divided into curriculum. As per my course is divided into sections like Sections are LMS website design, get started, introduction. These are sections, and then inside those sections there are lectures, by hosting and domain, what's inside. These are lectures. So the same way we have to create this course. First of all, we have to create all the required sections. So let's say as per our course, we have to create new sections. We need, let's say, 3 sections. First one is introduction. Okay, then in introduction we will add a lesson. Now it's on you. You want to add a text lesson, you want to add a video lesson, you want to add a stream lesson, you want to add a Zoom lesson, Google Meet lesson. You know that how to use this Google Meet, and how to integrate that Zoom and Google Meet. Now you can easily integrate. Then there is also a stream lesson as well. Okay, so here you would have to add all the stream lesson information, or if you don't want it, you can just skip it. Okay, you can just delete it. But the fact is there is no option to delete. So what you can do is you can add a new lesson, like I want a video lesson, so it would be converted into a video lesson. Now the lesson name is introduction. Then select the source. You want to embed the video, you want Vimeo, or you want YouTube, and we just selected that we need these 3 options only. We don't have any other option. So let's say I'll select YouTube, and now here I have to add the YouTube video URL. So what I have to do is I have to go to YouTube, and I will go to my channel, and here is my channel, but I don't have anything on my channel. So I'll go to manage videos, and here on my YouTube channel I have these course introductions unlisted, and that's how you have to upload the videos on your YouTube channel. Go to upload and select files and upload the video on your YouTube channel. So I'll select this one, I'll copy the link address, and I'll go to course builder and I'll just paste it. Where is the option? Okay, so I just pasted it here. Here you have to add the lesson duration. So it was 556 556. Then you can create a lesson preview, and anyone can watch it for free. And then here you can add the short description of the lesson, then the lesson content if you want, but let's say it's only the title. And then if you want to add any course materials like the PDF files, etc, etc, so let's say you want to add any zip file or that kind of thing, so you can just add that one as well. So let's say I want to add this one, so I'll upload this file, and I'll select this, and this one is the resource file, and I'll hit create. Okay, and a lesson is created. And here you go. With the same process, I just added these 3 lectures, and now it's time to add a new section. So what I'll do is, let's make it 347, I guess. Yeah. So I'll add a new section here. I'll save this, and a new section would be added after saving the previous one. And here I will name it as getting started. And let's say now we want to add a new lesson, which is a text lesson. So I'll hit text lesson. Here I would add the name, introduction. I'm just doing it to tell you, because if I upload the complete course, it would take me too long. So lesson duration, it's 439. Then lesson preview is there. First of all, you have to add the short description, and then you have to enter the description. So this is a lesson for the test purposes, and then this is lesson content, and you should so for here you can add the paragraphs, you can add the headers. This is a header. Then from there you can start the paragraphs, you can align the content, like the word or this kind of thing. You can add videos, you can add images, like let's say you want to add this image, then you want to align this image, let's say here, here or here or here. You can align this, then this one here, and after that you can just create it, and here you go, the new lesson is created. Then if you want to start as add a Zoom lesson as well, you can add a Zoom lesson. Here you can put the meeting password from your Zoom, what you have set it up, like let's say 345 693 6934, then live session Q&A #1, and then the start time, you have to select the start time. What's the start time? And lesson duration would be 60 minutes. Then time zone is PKT or UTC, Universal Time Zone. Then allow participants to join anytime. Host video, mute participant on entry. Participants video, yes. Require authentication to join, yes. Lesson preview, yes. And then just hit create, and here you go, the Q&A session is added. Then if you want to add Google Meet, same is the process. And this is how you would add things to your course. And now if you want to add quizzes and assignments, you can also do that. Here's a quiz option, so you can add a quiz option, and here I have to add the quiz name, and I'll hit enter, and it would be created. And now I can add the questions. You have three things here: questions. Here you can add the questions and their answers. Then the settings of the quiz, short description of the quiz duration, then the quiz style, then passing grades, etc., etc. And then the Q&A. If you have any Q&A questions you want to add, you can just add those Q&As here. So here I will add the questions. First one, it would be multiple choice question: is creating and selling courses easy? It's a multiple choice question, technical question. And then here I would add the answers: yes, no, none of the above. I'm just doing it for the sake of example, so don't take it serious. So I add this one as well. And if you want to add the explanation to the questions, you can also add the explanation. Yes, because I have created a course on it. I think the question technically should be, is creating LMS website easy? The question should be this one. Okay, so then I will add a true false question. Have you ever created an LMS website before? True, false, true, or false? No. So no, this is not a like perfect question. So I think, yeah, we should ask that so as this is about this website we are creating, does this LMS offer drip content? True or false? True, it's true. Then there are a lot of other options like matching, image matching, keywords, fill in the back blanks, etc., etc. You can play around with those, and you can set those up, but I'm just here to show you how it works. Then you can add the short description. This is a quiz short description, and then the quiz duration should be let's say 2 minutes, because we have only two questions, 2 minutes. Then quiz style should be global, and then show the correct answers, randomize the questions. Passing grades are 100%. If it's 100%, then and points cut after retake. 10 points should be cut after retake. And then or let's say 50 or 20 points, and passing grades are 75. And then here you can add the lesson content, and here you go, we have added this one as well. Then you can also add the assignments. The assignment is same, add the assignment name, test assignment. And then you have two options: you want to add assignment or Q&A. So Here you can add assignment attempts. It should be 2, and here you will add all the assignment content. You know how to add the content. This is just for the simple assignment, but if you want to add the Q&A, then you would have to add the content here. And here I will add the assignment content, like this is the assignment content, and then I'll go to Q&A, I'll hit create, and the assignment would be created. And after creating the assignment, because it was compulsory, I have to create it before I do anything. So I'll go to questions. What is an LMS website? And I'll hit submit. The new question: how do you edit the home page of LMS website? And I'll hit submit. And these type of questions what I can create in the assignment, and after that I'll just do it. So that's how you can add a new question, new lectures, new lessons, then new quizzes, assignments, etc, etc. And it should be introduction. And that's how you would have to add all your lectures into your curriculum. And after doing all that, we would go on to the next step, which is drip content, and I'll discuss that in the next lecture. In this lecture, we are going to talk about drip content and dependencies, and these kind of things, like to just bound the students so that they complete the course. So to do that, we will go to drip content, and here we will do the things. So now there's a scenario that I want people to complete this introduction to watch this one, or to complete this section to watch this section. So what I'll do is I'll create a new dependency, and I'll hit this introduction, and I want them to view the introduction to watch these two lectures. Then I'll create a new dependency. I want them to watch this introduction to watch this lecture and this lecture and this lecture. Okay, and there's a new another dependency that I want them to watch sorry, this one to let's just delete this one, watch these introduction. Okay, so this kind of dependency is what you can create, and now user have to watch this introduction to watch these two, they have to watch this introduction to watch these three, and they have to watch this lecture to watch this introduction, this live session, this quiz, and this assignment. Okay, so this is how you create the dependencies. You just save it, and that's all about dependencies and drip content. And I will see you in the next lecture, and bye bye. After the drip content in this lecture, we are going to talk about the course settings and pricing, facts and notices, etc, etc. And let's just do it. So first of all, we'll just go to settings, and here we can just do all the course settings. So here, first of all, we have the main. If we want to change the course name, here you can change the course name, then the course title, course URL. We did it in the starting with the wizard, but from here we can just change the things. Even if we want to add the co-instructor, we can also add the co-instructor. This is Khadeen Akbar me, and this Khadeen Akbar is another instructor that I registered on with another account. Then here you have to add the course in duration, 6 hours and 33 minutes, and then video duration is around 4 hours and 2 minutes. Then the course description, if you want to add the course description, you can also add the course description. Let me just go to Udemy, and here this is course exactly, and I'll just copy this course description and I'll just paste it here. So let me just copy this course description, this one. Let's just copy it and go to the course builder and paste it. And then the course excerpt, you can add the course excerpt. So the course excerpt is this one. So I'll just add the course excerpt as well. Then the status is hot, and then status start date 13 and status end date 20. Then current students, current views, you can just change it as well. It's all in your control, but try to be legit, I guess. And if it is a featured course, you can enable this one, but the featured course quota limit is end, and you can just go to the course list and you can remove other courses from the featured courses, and then you can just put this course on the featured. Then access, Um, let's just save it. I have saved it actually. And then it is a trial course, time limit. This course would be expired after 30 days. Then upcoming course status, if you want to enable upcoming course, like this course will be available soon, so you can also enable this. Or if this is a trial course, it will be for free. Then don't forget to change these, save these changes. Then the prerequisites to pass this course, is prerequisites to start this course is this course. You should be enrolled into this course to use this course. And prerequisite passing percentage, it should be 30%. Then you can just save this. Then course files, if you want to add any course files for projects, etc, you can add this one. And you can also change the select the demo certificate demo as well. Then with the pricing, it's a one-time purchase. Yeah, it's a one-time purchase. And I want to list it for $199. Then the sale price is $76. Then a sale start date is 13. Its end date is 31. Then enterprise price is $70. $70. And if you want to enable enterprise subscriptions, you can install this paid memberships pro. And you can also enable subscriptions. Then points for a course, 10 points for this course. And I'll hit save. And even you can enable affiliate for this course. Button text, become affiliate. Sorry. So you can affiliate this course, like if this course is from Udemy or any other platform, so you can add buy now button and put the course link here. Like let's say you are affiliate of Udemy, and you want to promote my course on your website. You can copy the affiliate link, you will put it here, and you will save it. So they would not buy the course, but they would just go to this link. But this one is not affiliate course, so I'll just save it. And these were some settings and pricing things, and I would see you in the next lecture. So in this lecture, we are going to publish our course, and this is the last step in publishing the course. First of all, let's just explore the facts and notice. So if you want to add any frequently asked questions, you can add frequently asked questions like is there a refund? Yes, you can get refund with a solid reason in within 30 days of purchase. And these kind of questions you can answer. Any questions about yourself, your product, you can answer those questions. And then in notice, you can add a notice about your course if you want to add something. I don't have something in my mind to just add about in this notice thing. And after that, you will just publish the course, and here you go, your course is published. Hit view. And why it's saying page not found? It's published, bro. And after reloading, I just found this. This is the test course, and here are the prerequisites. This course is required to get this course. Then here is the curriculum. Here are the reviews. Here is the description, the thumbnail, and let me just go back to archive. And here, this is how it is getting represented. This is the title. This is the description. This is advanced 5 lectures, 6 hours and 33 minutes. If I want to preview it, I can just preview it. If I want to buy it, or if I want to buy this for a group, then I have to create a group. Or if I want to buy this one, then I would have to buy this course first because it's a prerequisite. Okay. Or what I can do is I can go to settings, and I can remove the prerequisites. Let me remove the prerequisite, and this one, and here you go. And now let me just go there and back, and now it's no prerequisite. Let me just reload it. Still, let me just let me just publish it. And after updating the prerequisites, here you can see it's start course. I'll hit start course, and I'll have to purchase this course, complete and next. I can download this thing, and then I'll have to go to the next step, and there. And after watching this section, I would have to proceed to the next one. Okay. So even because this is my new profile, I am the owner of this course, and that's why I'm not able to buy. Let me just go back to the course and copy this thing, and let me just go to the incognito and put it here. And here you can see this is the page, and here you can see get this course for $76. It would take me there to check out. I would have to sign up first, and my email and password, Khadeen at khadeenbird.com, Khadeen, and I'll hit sign up, registration successful. Then I have to go to checkout via Stripe or PayPal. I'll have to add my card details, and then I would have to purchase, and the purchase would be made. And that's how we publish the course. Everything is set up, and now course is ready for the other people. And it's not too professional because I did it to show you with the test examples. But when you will do it, it would be like something that you know, and it would take time more than me, but it would work smooth like butter. Okay, that was all about this lecture. I would see you in the next one. And after publishing the course, here you can see here is our final website. Here we have these courses, here we have these banners, etc, etc. I have told you how to edit those banners. We have this thing in the courses archive. We can see all the courses here. We have this category filter, status filter, levels, ratings, etc, etc. We have uploaded this test course as well. We have some other courses as well. Then we have this dashboard as well. This is our instructor area. And then if you want to add a course from front end, you can just go there, and from here you can just add a new course. And then here you can see on the side we have this sidebar as well. Like you have this dashboard, you can add a course, add students, announcements. When you will go to announcements, you can create new announcements, and for here you have to select a course, and then you can create a message. It would be sent to all of your students. Then you have this grade book, and this one, and then you have like assignments. You have the assignments you have sent to people. Then the dashboard, in dashboard you can see how much failed, how much passed. And then you have this bundles. You can create new bundles from here, add new bundles from here, and course bundles, and you can sell those bundles. Like I'll add this one, I'll add this one, I'll add this one, and then I'll name it test bundle. And then I'll upload an image, and let's see, this is the image, and then the bundle price is $200. Then I'll hit save. The description is required. This is our test bundle, and then I'll hit save. Invalid file extension. Okay, give me a second. This was a WebP file, so is this good? No. Bundle image, yeah, the PNG format. So here you go, bundle is saved, and here you go, this is the bundle, and this is draft right now, and now this is published, and this is the bundle. We can just see it from here. Open link in new tab, and this is our course bundle. And if someone wants to buy it, they can buy it. But here is the image. This is a just test image. I just did it. And then here are all your enrolled, all the courses where you enrolled in. This is, I think, student section starts. Then the messages, favorite courses, and the cart, my orders, groups, assignments, certificates, my points, etc, etc. These things are for instructors and for students. And this is the whole website. This is how the website looks. The final look of the website, it becomes completely professional. And this is how you can create websites for others and charge them. That was all about this lecture. I would see you in the next one. Welcome to the most this course, which is money related, and which is a must have section for this course. And the section is monetization and growth, where we will be talking about making money, selling services, etc, etc. So this inside this section, first of all, the first model is to create your own LMS website and sell courses. So there's another model where you can sell LMS websites to schools and other businesses. I'll show you how do you do it, and what's the process. And then I will tell you about the process that I use to generate over $500,000 of opportunities by sending 10K plus emails per day. You can also send 10K plus emails per day to schools, to other businesses, and you can get orders for LMS websites, and even you can sell your programs to other businesses if your program is B2B. And then I'll show you how you can do influencer marketing to promote your courses. So be with me in this section and I'll tell you about each and everything. In this lecture, we are going to talk about selling LMS websites, how you can create and sell LMS websites. Now you know that how to create an LMS website using Masterstudy, WordPress, etc., etc. And I have shared those things with you. And now it's time to find clients and sell them the websites. So first step, first process is basically simple. You create a course of yourself, you publish it on your own website, and the second thing is that you create your own course. You create LMS websites. You reach out to people and tell them that you need an LMS website. I can create it for you, and let me know if you are interested. I'll charge $500 for that. $1,000 for that, $1,500 for that. It depends on your rates. Okay. So first of all, for selling an LMS website, first of all, you need your ICP, ideal customer profile. Who are your ideal customers? Your ideal customers are schools who need the website, then the trainers who want to sell the courses, then the academies, and then the content creators who have audience, but they just want to sell something and you have to do it. So for client acquisition, to how you find these type of clients and how you create websites and how you sell them. So there are 4 methods that I think are worth it. I have like tens of methods, but these are some that I really like, and I think these are great methods to find clients. First one is freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, these kind of platforms. Just go there, sign up, and look for LMS website projects and create LMS websites. Second one is go to Google Maps, Facebook Places, search for schools, academies, trainers, and reach out to them. You would find their email address, you will find their phone number, and reach out to them via messages, phone numbers, email. Tell them that I can build an LMS website for you. Let me know if you are interested. Same is with Facebook groups. Go to Facebook groups of school owners, teachers, trainers, and tell them that I create LMS website. So if you are interested, I can create it for you. Then the cold emails. This is the process I told you about. Like you can send up to you more than 10K emails per day. So you will also get the leads in that process. The next lecture is about sending 10K emails per day. You can follow the process in the next lecture, and you can send 10K emails per day. And in the next lecture, you will also learn that how to find emails and data of schools, leads of schools, trainers, academies, etc., and then you can reach out to them. So this is basically the whole process of selling LMS websites. These are the 3 processes that are simple. This one requires a bit of effort, and the whole effort is covered in the next lecture. That was all about this lecture. I will see you in the next lecture. In the last month of July, I was able to close, I was able to build $62,000 worth of opportunities, and closed a few of them as well. And here you can see I sent a total of 1.6K emails with 88% open rate, 4.5% click rate, and 17.3% reply rate. If you are already into email marketing, or you know about cold emailing or cold outreach, then you might know that these are the crazy numbers. But if you don't know about it, don't worry, I'll let you know. So basically, this is the software I use to reach out to my clients, reach out to people to get clients, because obviously I'm working as a freelancer as well. Till right now, I'm creating content for you, but I'm working as a freelancer as well, and using these using this tool, this cold outreach tool, I just generate get my clients, close my clients, and you can use this tool to close the clients as well. And you can see I contacted total 937 people, 832 of them opened, and 162 of them replied, and 31 opportunities were created. Okay, and these are some of the analytics. Now let me just show you that how you can set it up. You can go directly to instantly as well, but I would recommend you to go from webifiedhub.com/instantly, so that you will get some special thing, and you can just go directly as well. But if you'll go from webifiedhub.com instantly, obviously you will get something special, like a special free trial, or a coupon code, or a discounted pricing, or that kind of thing. Okay, so after going there, just click on start for free, then enter your name, email, and then the password. Any password you can add. Then I agree, and join it. Then select where you found it. You can add Udemy, And then what describes you best? Agency. And next. Now, first of all, you'll have to verify your email. So I'll first verify my email. And here you go. It has been verified. And this is the tool that we are going to use for the cold outreach. Okay, so first of all, it has a lead finder where you can find clients by job titles, and you can also search which technology a website is using, and then you can reach out to them. Let's say a website is using Go High Level, a website is using Go High Level, and you can just reach out to all the websites telling them that 106 websites found. Okay, and you can reach out to all these websites and tell them that I have an AI tool and I can just build a funnel for you, and if you are interested, let me know. If let's say the websites that are using Elementor page builder, if you know about WordPress, or if a web is using Wix builder, this one, if a website is building that, you can just select the leads those are using this, select those, you can just add to campaign. But before that, you will have to create the campaign. From here, you can just add the email accounts from which you want to outreach. You can create Google Workspace account, or you can just connect your own Gmail account to it, or Office account. Okay, I'll just select it, auth, login, and here you will have to add your accounts, and you can just but it would only work if you are using Google Workspace account, like me at khadeenakbar.com, or these kind of custom email with Google Workspace. But if you have a Gmail, like I have khadeenakbaronline at gmail.com, or these kind of things, then you have to go back G Suite and select this app passwords. And first of all, you just have to go to your Google security settings, and you have to enable your two-step verification in your Google account. Then just go to app passwords, and in app passwords, select app, mail, select device, other, and name it. Instantly it would generate the password for you, and just go there, enter email address, and hit password there, and hit connect. And here you go, the email address got connected. Now what's the process? Usually what you do is, the ways I will tell you about to find the emails of the clients. You just have find the emails, and you just go to your email address and send them the emails. But from here, you can just send the emails in bulk, and there is a spamming system. If you send 30 emails per day or 40 emails per day without warming up from new account, all the emails would go to spam and nothing will work for you. So this instant, you just connect your email to Instantly AI, this software. First of all, for 15 days, this software warms up your email account for 50 days for free. And you can do a bit of more settings here as well. This tool just warm up your email first to tell all the spam filters that this is a reliable email and this is a worth it email. Then you can just create a campaign and send. First, let me just show you how to create the campaign. Sample campaign, continue, and then you will have to import the leads. You can import it from Google Sheets if you have a CSV file. If you have, enter those leads manually, or you can use the lead finder. From here, just select the lead finder. Let's say I want to just target the people who are using Bluehost. Okay, and we can ask them that you are using, or who are using Elementor Pro. Okay, so these people are using Elementor Pro. I'll just select the 25 of them. I'll hit add to campaign, sample campaign, add to campaign. They are added to campaign. Now I'll just go back. So here you go, the leads got added. And now in sequence, I'll just craft the email that I want to send. This email, I can just use ChatGPT, and I can ask ChatGPT to just generate an email sequence for me. So I can ask a ChatGPT to generate an email sequence for me to send to websites that are using Elementor Pro. I want to offer them that I will create first act as an email copywriting expert. I will create lead magnet for them using AI to generate leads, i.e. AI fitness plan generator for gyms. Then you can add more specifications as well. Keep email up to 700 characters and it should be easily understandable for anyone. Okay. Rate it. Here you go. Boost your gym's growth. I think it just did the gyms thing, so I'll just edit it and I'll just remove this IE thing and I'll again hit submit. Boost your leads with AI powered lead magnet, and this is the email. You just have to copy these emails or just ask make this email more personalized as I have these data columns. Which data columns I have? I have the contact name, company name, website, and title. Contact name, company name, website, job title, location, and yep, and phone number. So if you want more personalized email, then you can just use this thing. Now this is the email one, so we'll just copy it and you just go to sequence, paste it, and here we can just add a variable which is company name. Copy this, copy this and paste this here, and here we will add the body from ChatGPT. I'll just open ChatGPT on other screen so it's visible for you. Then copy it and paste it here. Hi. Now this is the first way of reaching out to people. Then here we have to add the first name. So first name. Oh my God. Sorry. I did it wrong. Yeah, from here I have to add. Here I have to add the first name. Okay, and then the company name here. And then caught my attention. Website using Elementor, leveraging, and then company name. Company name to supercharge your. Let's discuss further. Your name, Khabin. That's all. Okay, then just save it. Add another step. You can add the follow-ups. Let's say if the one don't reply, then after 10 days follow them up with this second email. Hi, first name, interest, you're doing great. Then add the variable, company name, and there also add the company name. Okay, And you can create these kind of things. And one more thing to avoid being marked as spam, don't forget to add this one. When you will go there, unsubscribe link, click here to unsubscribe. Always add this one so that you are not marked as spam, because I have a lot of my emails are marked as spam just because of this, because I just didn't edit this. Just save this and then schedule this according to the location you are targeting, because you had the filters there about targeting as well. And you can add more sequences as well. From here you can just schedule it. From here you have option to select which emails. You can add multiple emails, and here you have a lot of other options like track links, track opens, delivery optimization, what should be the daily limit, etc, etc. And then you can just hit save, and to launch this campaign just hit launch, and this campaign would be launched and email would be start sending out, and you will receive those emails in this inbox. In this inbox you will receive all the emails. You have the pre-built CRM as well, but for that you would obviously need to upgrade the plan. Here you will see all the analytics. Here you would have all your campaigns. Here you have all your email accounts. You can add more email accounts. For with the free trial you can add only 2. And here in lead finder you can also add location here, location. And in settings you have some of the settings, and from here you can upgrade to the pro plan as well. So I would recommend you to go with the annual billing if you want, and because this is affordable thing. And with the growth plan you can, or you can just start with monthly plan, 5,000 emails monthly, 1,000 uploaded contacts. When this is filled up, then upgrade to this plan, but with the yearly thing. Okay, and then this is the lead finder. This is $47 per month, and this is $37 per month. And maybe after you will go, when you will go from my link, you will get some special discount, because I just went directly. If you will go from my link, you will get some special pricing here, or you will get an extended free trial. Okay, then the link I told you about. Okay, so that was all about this cold outreach. Now the first method of finding clients for this cold outreach is this lead finder. And I'll tell you how you can also get clients from Google Maps, Facebook Places, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok as well. And I'll also tell you that how you can get emails from Google search as well, manually. Okay, that was all about this lecture. See you in the next one. In this lecture, we are going to cover that how we can use influencer marketing, influencers to sell our courses, sell our LMS websites and stuff. So basically in influencer marketing, we reach out to content creators and we partner with them within different aspects. And I'll tell you about different aspects that you can utilize, and that I have utilized, so that you can easily do it yourself and easily create your first bucks to support and scale your business. So there are 3 ways to partner with them. So first one is partner with them. So how you partner with them, you offer them that I have created a course, I have an LMS website, I have great course, and that course is good for your audience, and let me know if you would promote my course. 50% or 40% would go to your account and 60% would go to my account. Let's partner. And most of them who don't have the courses would for sure partner with you. Then second one is you can just tell them that I have an idea for you. Why don't you create your own course? I will create a LMS website for you for $1,000. You can create a course yourself and you can sell it to your audience. You have a big audience. Tell them the numbers. Like if you have 100,000 followers, if 1,000 people converts, each course is for $10, it would be $10,000. Or if the course is for $100, you would make $100,000 from this thing. So why don't you create a course? Then you can create a free LMS website for them and tell them that I have created a website for you for free. So let me know. Like you just have to promote me. You don't have to do anything. You just have to promote me, and I have created a website for you, and that's all. Now the question is that how do you find the influencers to promote your course, or promote your services, or pay you for creating LMS website? Here I am on Chrome, and here you have to search for a software which is Prosperity. Okay, you can go to prosperity.com, and this is basically an influencer search tool. You just have to add some aspects like what type of content creators are you looking for, and this software would extract the whole influencers list for you with their email address and all information. Let me just sign in. And here I am on dashboard. There are three options. You can create a search. You just have to go to search, and here you have to create a new search. And here in new search, you have three options. You can discover channels by criteria, find similar channels, and import channels from file. Right now, two options are good for us. Find similar channels. So you can just go to find. Here you have to add any title, test, next, and then here you have to add any example channel. Like I will add https youtube.com/c/Ali Abdal. This is a YouTube channel. This is a YouTuber, and I'll put it here, and all the similar channels would be listed here. And you can extract the information of all those channels. It's 0. Let's say, let me just go to youtube.com and course review, and which one is good? Like I like this channel. I'll copy this address. I'll go there. I'll paste the YouTube channel link. And now how much similar channels we find? We find 0. No worries. Let me just find any other one like this one. Copy link address, paste it here, save it. And it's 16 channels. From here you can preview those channels. These are the channels, and if you want to get information of it, you will hit next. And a few of your credits would be used. You have to buy the credits, by the way. For 40 cents, you can just extract the data, email, etc., and all the data would be for you. And then the way with which I told you, you can send 10k plus emails per day. You can send email to these people telling them that I have a partnership opportunity for you. Let me know if you are interested. Then the second way is to enter the criteria only. We'll just go to search, and here test, next, test 2, next, and here we have to add channel keywords. Like my videos are about my courses are about side hustles, freelancing, so I'll search side hustle, freelancing, Fiverr, online business, make money online, online earning, etc. Then you can also add these keywords: Shopify, Etsy, Amazon FBA, online earning, make money online, online business, etc. Then you have to preview. You can check it. Then you also have a lot of filters, like what are the minimum number of subscribers. Minimum number of subscribers should be 50,000. Maximum should be 100,000. And then you can also select the country, then hit next. Then $2.50 would be used, and save and start, and you will get the data. Here you can see these are some of the data that I have imported myself, and for this keyword chat GPT, these were the channels that I reached out to, and we had a great collaboration with a lot from these channels, and that's how we do it all. So that's how you can find influencers, reach out to them, tell them to promote your course, and this is how it works. That was all about this lecture. I will see you in the next one. And now at the end, I just want to congratulate you for completing this course, and you were the one who was consistent, and you were the one who was be with me till the end of the course. And like usually I have around 100,000 plus students enrolled into my courses. So from them, I have learned that less than 10% of the people are able to complete the course by 100%. And if you have done it, you are from those less than 10% people, and you have done a great job. And I really congratulate to you on that. And then I have some things to discuss with you, that if you have any questions, any queries, let me know in the discussion panel. If you will go to my profile, you can see the message button here. You can message me from there, or from Q&A you can ask me any questions. Then also don't forget to leave us a review, because your review is really important for us, for other students who wants to enroll into this course, to learn that if this course is for them or not. And then at the end, I just want to say you thank you. I will meet you somewhere in any other course, and that was all about this course. I will see you somewhere else, like in any other course or something.